This is my shared Windows 10 device, and I'm going to sign in with a user account using ID Melon and the ID Melon reader, all passwordless. Confirm with biometrics, and there you go. That easy and quick. Now let's sign out and sign in using a different accounts. Here comes the second phone. Just tap and go. Passwordless. That easy. Okay, let's sign out one more time. Now, as you can see here, I don't have the option to sign in using a password. The only thing I can use is my security key. Let's switch back to the first user, confirm with biometrics again, and there it is. Passwordless on a shared Windows 10 device. That easy.